PiNetwork, launched in 2019 by a team of Stanford graduates, aims to democratize cryptocurrency. The crypto world is no stranger to hype, but PiNetwork has managed to spark a wildfire of excitement that few projects have seen. With millions of users mining daily from their phones and eagerly awaiting the official market listing, all eyes are on Pi. The burning question: when will it list on Binance? And more importantly, what will the price be? What is PiNetwork and why the buzz? Launched in 2019 by a group of Stanford grads, PiNetwork has a mission that stands out. It's all about making cryptocurrency accessible. Forget expensive rigs or high electricity bills. Pi can be mined on your mobile phone, making it simple for anyone, anywhere to participate. This user-friendly approach has amassed a loyal following of over 35 million pioneers, a base so large that it's hard not to wonder how the coin will fare once it hits the open market. Current state of PiNetwork. What's holding it back? As of now, PiNetwork is still in its test phase. While you can mine Pi coins by simply tapping a button daily, these coins are not yet tradable on any exchange. This hasn't stopped speculation from running wild. With a Mainnet launch on the horizon, rumored to happen between late 2023 and early 2024, many are wondering when Pi will make its debut on Binance and other major platforms. Pi's team is laser-focused on ensuring the network's security, scalability, and overall robustness before going live. They're not just throwing a coin out there. They're aiming to revolutionize the way everyday users interact with crypto, and that takes time. Binance listing on the horizon? One of the biggest milestones in PiNetwork's journey will be its listing on exchanges like Binance. Though the official date hasn't been locked down, community chatter is buzzing with hope that Binance could be one of the first major platforms to pick it up. Considering Binance's track record of supporting innovative projects with mass appeal, Pi seems like a natural fit. What could PiNetwork's price be? The million-dollar question, or in Pi's case, potentially the multi-million-dollar one, is what could the price be once Pi hits the exchanges? Let's break it down. 1. Massive user base. With over 35 million active users, the moment Pi becomes tradable, the demand could skyrocket. A loyal, engaged user base tends to create strong price floors, as many will hold on to their coins rather than sell immediately. Second, market sentiment. We've all seen how the crypto space thrives on news and momentum. If PiNetwork's launch is smooth and the project continues to generate positive sentiment, expect a bullish start that could push the price higher. 3. Utility and adoption. Pi's value won't just come from speculation. If the coin develops solid use cases, whether it's for everyday payments, e-commerce, or decentralized apps, it could drive even greater demand. The more integrated Pi becomes in real-world applications, the more valuable it will be. Fourth, comparison to other coins. Some analysts are already comparing Pi to Dogecoin, Litecoin, and other altcoins that began with grassroots movements. Should Pi carve out a similar niche, we could see it challenge or even exceed some of these coins in the market rankings. The power of community, PiNetwork's secret weapon. Pi's community-first approach is one of its most potent strengths. Unlike many other projects where early investors dominate the market, Pi's value is truly in the hands of its users. The more active they are, the more valuable the network becomes. This decentralized grassroots momentum could serve as a strong foundation for Pi's future. But with all that potential, it's important to stay grounded. As with any new listing, volatility is to be expected. Investors should keep their eyes wide open and be ready for anything, whether it's a sudden surge or a pullback as the market finds its footing. The future is bright, but be cautious. There's no doubt that PiNetwork has captured the attention of millions, but that doesn't guarantee instant success. With any new crypto listing, especially on a platform as massive as Binance, there are risks. The price may surge, or it may take time to stabilize as the market figures out its true value. But one thing is for sure, when Pi does list, it's going to be big. So are you ready for the next big thing in crypto? Keep a close watch on PiNetwork's development and be prepared for what could be one of the most anticipated launches of the decade. Stay informed and, as always, DYOR, do your own research before diving in. PiNetwork's mission to make cryptocurrency accessible to a broader audience, combined with its substantial user base, positions it as a potential game changer in the crypto space. The upcoming Mainnet launch and possible exchange listings are pivotal events that could significantly influence Pi's future trajectory.